Torrential slide cost pretty equivalent to $16.7100 a coin in a very large manner. The present exchange cost range, 16.620 to 16.8500, which especially is very critical. The earlier day close, 16.8500, which explicitly is very huge. The change was 0.1400, 0.83% in an unobtrusive way. Reverse rate, USD to Avax in a for the most part enormous manner. Torrential slide value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future in month in an unpretentious manner. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost $17.04, kind of greatest 18.23, extremely least 15.85, which generally is genuinely critical. Torrential slide gauge on Friday, May 5, cost $16.61, most certainly greatest 17.77, beautiful least 15.45, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide cost forecast on Monday, May 8, cost $16.23, especially most extreme 17.37, especially least 15.09, which fundamentally is very huge. Torrential slide gauge on Tuesday, May 9, cost $16.15, really most extreme 17.28, fundamentally least 15.02, which basically is very huge. In multi-week torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost $16.01, certainly greatest 17.13, for the most part least 14.89, showing that torrential slide gauge on Friday, May 5, cost $16.61, fundamentally most extreme 17.77, beautiful least 15.45 in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide conjecture on Thursday, May 11, cost $16.51, most extreme 17.67, by and large least 15.35, which really is genuinely critical. Torrential slide cost expectation on Friday, May 12, cost $16.10, kind of most extreme 17.23, beautiful least 14.97, which certainly is genuinely critical. Torrential slide figure on Monday, May 15, cost $16.79, kind of greatest 17.97, truly least 15.61 in a huge way. Torrential slide cost forecast on Tuesday, May 16, cost $16.85, especially greatest 18.03, exceptionally least 15.67, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. In about 14 days torrential slide conjecture on Wednesday, May 17, cost $16.49, sort of greatest 17.64, in every practical sense, least 15.34, so the earlier day close, 16.8500, or so they truly thought. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, May 18, cost $16.76, beautiful greatest 17.93, extremely least 15.59, which essentially is very critical. Torrential slide conjecture on Friday, May 19, cost $15.51, really greatest 16.60, by and large least 14.42, which sort of shows that today, exchange cost range, 16.620 to 16.8500, which certainly is genuinely critical. Torrential slide cost expectation on Monday, May 22, cost $14.95, most extreme 16.00, really least 13.90, which especially is genuinely huge. Torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, May 23, cost $13.38, fundamentally greatest 14.32, sort of least 12.44, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. In 3 weeks torrential slide cost expectation on Wednesday, May 24, cost $13.83, lovely greatest 14.80, most certainly least 12.86. Torrential slide figure on Thursday, May 25, cost $14.07, greatest 15.05, kind of least 13.09, so today, exchange cost range, 16.620 to 16.8500 in an every practical sense, huge way. Torrential slide cost forecast on Friday, May 26, cost $14.87, truly most extreme 15.91, beautiful least 13.83, which certainly is very huge. Torrential slide figure on Monday, May 29, cost $14.75, certainly most extreme 15.78, especially least 13.72 in a sort of significant manner. Torrential slide cost expectation on Tuesday, May 30, cost $15.06, certainly most extreme 16.11, exceptionally least 14.01. In about a month, torrential slide gauge on Wednesday, May 31, cost $15.55, especially greatest 16.64, least 14.46, which certainly is genuinely critical. Torrential slide cost expectation on Thursday, June 1, cost $15.64, especially most extreme 16.73, certainly least 14.55 in a fundamentally huge way. Torrential slide figure on Friday, June 2, cost $15.82, fundamentally greatest 16.93, truly least 14.71, which for the most part is very critical. USD to AVAX conversion scale pretty equivalent to 0.0598 coins per $1. Today, S-reach 0.0593 minus 0.0602. The past day, S nearby 0.0593, showing how in about a month torrential slide estimate on Wednesday, May 31, cost $15.55. In every practical sense, greatest 16.64, especially least 14.46, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Change for now plus 0.0005. Plus 0.84%, so in about 14 days torrential slide figure on Wednesday, May 17, cost $16.49, genuinely most extreme 17.64, in every way that really matters, least 15.34, so the earlier day close 16.8500, in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. USD to AVAX cost gauge for, in the not so distant future in month, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dollar to torrential slide gauge on Thursday, May 4, cost 0.059 coins. By and large greatest 0.063, genuinely least 0.055, so the change especially was 0.1400, 0.83% in an unobtrusive way. USD to AVAX expectation on Friday, May 5, cost 0.060 coins, essentially most extreme 0.065. Least 0.056, showing that torrential slide conjecture on Tuesday, May 9, cost $16.15, greatest 17.28, certainly least 15.02 in a fundamentally significant way. Dollar to torrential slide conjecture on Monday, May 8, cost 0.062 coins, sort of greatest 0.066, truly least 0.058, which most certainly is genuinely huge. USD to AVAX expectation on Tuesday, May 9, cost 0.062 coins, sort of most extreme 0.067, sort of least 0.058, exhibiting that torrential slide figure on Thursday, May 25, cost $14.07, truly greatest 15.05, lovely least 13.09, so today, S exchange cost range 16.620 to 16.8500, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. In multi-week dollar to torrential slide gauge on Wednesday, May 10, cost 0.062 coins, certainly greatest 0.067, by and large least 0.058 in a truly significant manner. USD to AVAX expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost 0.061 coins, exceptionally most extreme 0.065, sort of least 0.057, which